Hey everybody, Jim Malone here from Dallas Trading Floor. Well, today we had some information from the Fed. The Fed is actually raising rates. And what I did today was I shorted a stock. This is a Lennar. This is a home builder, and of course they're very interest rate sensitive. So I kind of want to go through how I did it. Even though Lennar has been experiencing a lot of growth, they're very interest rate sensitive when it comes to the housing sector. So as the interest rates goes up, the amount of people that can qualify for the loans goes down. And this is going to affect Lennar, I think, in a very big way. Now, they did report some very, very good numbers, but remember, they're a quarter behind. Now, their sales were up 30% and their profits were up 59%, and they do have a lot of funds that are in the stock. But we're starting to see some clouds on the horizon, and one of the places that you can see this is in the earnings per share estimate that's coming in 2023. You'll notice it's down. They're expecting a contraction of 13%. I think it's going to be greater than that, and I think it's going to happen sooner than they think. Part of the reason, of course, is the lack of affordability. Taking a look at the 5-minute chart for today, you can see where I entered the short. The short was entered basically at 77.87, and then as you can see, as the day progressed, it moved down, and currently it's trading at about 76.93. It's up a little bit after hours. That is reaction, but I do think that we're going to see a continued downward trend here. Now, when you short, you have to have a level 3 options account, and if you have that, what you do is that you use a brokerage house. I use TD Ameritrade. I borrow the shares, I then sell them, and then hopefully, if things are right, we'll be buying them back later. Now, I typically will take profits if the stock moves down about 5 to 10%. But I also will cover my shorts typically if the stock moves up about 5%. Now, in this case, I will be covering at 81.86. So if the stock moves up to that, I will buy the stocks back and then remove the short. I hope that was interesting to you. We'll be talking about a little bit of this on the show today at 5. Hope to see you then.